The future simple tense is a powerful tool in the English language that allows us to talk about events and actions that will take place in the future. When it comes to mindfulness, the future simple tense can help us plan and prepare for moments of awareness and presence. Imagine you have a busy week ahead of you, with work, errands, and social engagements. Despite the hectic schedule, you decide to prioritize mindfulness and create space for moments of awareness, using the future simple tense. You can plan specific times in your week when you will practice mindfulness. For example, on Wednesday morning, I will meditate for 10 minutes before starting my day. By using the future simple tense, you are setting a clear intention and creating a plan for cultivating mindfulness. Another example of using the future simple tense in mindfulness is setting intentions for future interactions. For instance, you can say, "The next time I have a conversation with a friend, I will practice deep listening and be fully present." By expressing your intention using the future simple tense, you are mentally preparing yourself for the interaction and increasing the likelihood of being more mindful in that moment. Furthermore, the future simple tense can be used to create opportunities for self-reflection and growth. For instance, you can say, "Next week, I will take some time to reflect on my emotions and thoughts without judgment." This statement sets the stage for a future moment of self-awareness and introspection, allowing you to deepen your mindfulness practice. In conclusion, the future simple tense can be a valuable tool in incorporating mindfulness into your daily life. By using this tense to plan and prepare for moments of awareness, you can cultivate a deeper sense of presence and intentionality. So, the next time you want to enhance your mindfulness practice, remember to utilize the future simple tense to set intentions, create plans, and nurture moments of awareness.